Welcome to the Phone Productivity Setup. Today, we'll explore how to optimize your phone usage to help you get more done in less time. Let's dive into choosing the right apps. From task management to note-taking, the right tools can make a huge difference. Managing notifications effectively can minimize distractions. Let's tweak those settings for better focus. A well-organized home screen allows quick access to your essential apps. Here are some strategies to arrange them. Focus modes like Do Not Disturb are vital for limiting interruptions. It's time to harness these features. Synchronizing your calendar with task managers ensures you're on top of all your commitments. Automation apps can handle repetitive tasks for you, saving time throughout your busy day. Using voice commands can streamline your daily activities. Let's see how effective they can be. Creating phone-free time is essential for productivity. Let's discuss how to set these boundaries. To wrap up, remember these tips for optimizing your phone. Share your own productivity setups in the comments.